In today's video, I will teach you how to add muscles to your photos using AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Photo or AI photo editor. And in the editor, you can upload your photo. For best results, make sure to use a front-facing full-body photo with arms down, face and torso visible, and no shadows or poor lighting. And make sure to avoid side views, cropped images, group shots, or blurry photos. On the left panel, switch to the Beauty tab. And under the AI Smart Tools, click the AI muscle. Now we're going to choose a muscle type. Here, you'll see 5 muscle enhancing styles. Compact for subtle definition, muscular for a noticeably built muscle, thick for bulkier body mass, slender for a lean and fit look, and toned for a defined but natural muscle. So click through different options to preview how each one looks on your photo. But don't worry, effects don't stack, so feel free to experiment. And once you've found the look that you like, simply click Apply. And click and hold the Compare button at the bottom right to see your before and after. And when you're happy with the result, click Download to save the image. With Photor's AI Muscle tool, building your dream body is as easy as uploading a photo. Perfect for mock-ups, transformations, or just visualizing your goals. No gym membership required. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.